scores in these three subjects, and what I want to do is find the person who's the highest scorer in each of these subjects, and at the same time I also want to know how many students have scored more than 80 or more than 90 or whatever number it is. So you can again do this with XLOOKUP, and the reason XLOOKUP works in this case is because you can use it to return an entire row or a column and then use more functions with that. So let me first show you what I mean by that. So in this case, what I want to do is first fetch all these records in math so that I can find out the maximum value. So here my lookup value would be math in this case. My lookup array would be this range here, and my return array would be this entire range. Now what this does is it looks for the name math here, so it identifies that it's in the first position, and it is going to return this entire column of math values. In case I change this to physics, this is going to return the second